class of 2024. It's almost time to say goodbye. You are our fifth graduating cohort and will be the last to have studied at 4 campuses. Along the way, you had us stressing in grade 2 about your reading levels, finishing and fishing out your classmates' work from the pond in Encore in grade 3 when one of your teachers completely blew it with you, sitting in the courtyard at Jama Masjid in Delhi in grade 5 worrying about your writing levels, walking through Dharavi together, worried that we would lose one of you, and then we reached Rajasthan. You had changed. We saw you question who you are and start to recognize the dangers of a single story. I'm truly proud of how you handled the pandemic, strengthened the community as student government, ran assemblies and events like Language Day and NEEV Lit Fest with responsibility, started the first NEEV MUN, while winning heavily in athletics, swimming, football and basketball, competing not just with other schools but also at a national level. You will not be around as we expand our campus, but we hope you will always think of NEEV as home and come back to visit us often. The trajectory and destination of every human depends on nature and nurture. Nature, because we are all made of cells and genes, 10 billion cells containing 700 small molecules, 30,000 macromolecules each, encoded by 3 billion DNA letters, held together in the standard structure of 46 chromosomes in 23 pairs. One difference this cohort has from any other cohort is in what an unromantic geneticist would see as the number of X and Y chromosomes. But as educators, we recognize that this leads to different strengths and challenges as a cohort. That was nature. Nurture, because while discovery and innovation are often ascribed to chance and serendipity, there is great truth in Louis Pasteur's quip, "Chance favors the prepared mind." The essential prerequisites of a prepared mind are knowledge and technical competence, which all of you have today. But I suspect that it helps greatly to have an equal concern for the human condition and a compulsive desire to better it. This comes much more from nurture than nature. As an adult, remember what the Buddha said, Atma Deepo Bhava, or be your own light. I remind you of this not only because it is hard, but nurture is now in your hands through lifelong learning. What you read, what you learn in college classrooms, the relationships you build, the experiences and the roles to which you remain open, how hard you choose to push yourself, and how you uphold ethics through it all. You leave NEEV with our hopes and our prayers. The hope that you will change the world for the better. The prayer that when you set sail from safe harbors, you will have the wind blowing at your back. I hope that you will pause in every situation and make your decisions with grit, honor, and grace. Remember that a clear conscience is the softest pillow. Build relationships with people and the environment. Because the world is interconnected, you only go far when you go together. Seek happiness, health, and impact. Don't define success as being rich, thin, or good-looking. Never forget who you are and where you came from. Your actions, your decisions will tell us whether we were good ancestors.